Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into Clash Royale. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, I hope you've already downloaded it. If not, simply go ahead and open your app store and simply go ahead and search for Clash Royale and then click on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now as you can see, it's going to simply go ahead and start up. So when you go ahead and start up, it's going to say complete the training camp to unlock the multiplayer arena. So let's just go ahead and do that very quick. Alright, so as you can see, you can go ahead and continue with your game center. If you simply go ahead and click on game center, then it's going to simply go ahead and get you logged in, as you can see. And if you click on continue right over here and then click on login and then enter your Supercell ID and then click on login, then it's going to go ahead and simply log you into your previous account. That is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.